And welcome to Cooking with Carlisle. This is my loaves of bread. What I'm trying to do is let them rise in the pan. I didn't knead this bread. I just mixed it. I let it rise for a bit. Then I poured it into these baking trays, and I've let it rise inside the baking tray. And salt. This is the salt I use. Rock salt and black pepper, and I've sprinkled that on top of here. So I'll put these in the oven at 200 degrees and I shall see how much they rise and get back to you. And here we have the result of Mayday's sourdough baking event. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. This dough was quite moist, so I had to leave it in there for quite some time. Almost over an hour and a half for it to get done because it was so moist. And as you see, the result is, we'll see the result later. I'll tell you about it. But it looks good. I'll cut a slice off now and have it with hot butter. Yummy, yum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.